Isit at the controls against Cabo Espinosa. Steal here by the Cuyas. Gloria to Apinan. So a mixture of holdovers and key additions in the starting unit for Coach Cholo. Seda Plaza. Acop, this is Andre Acop, the brother of Aaron Acop. Bola na agaw ng Batangas.
2-on-1, 3-on-2.
Masyadong malakas. Plaza, the offensive board. Goes into attack mode, will lay it up and in, which prompts a quick timeout. This might just be your night. Meron pa tayong isang halftime segment.
Every game. So that means 3 games, 3 halftimes. Umabot siya sa dulo.
4
attempts sa half court.
Yeah.
So by all means, make an effort to come here.
Right. Espinosa, gives it up. Benedicto sa loob. Dizon got blocked, but stays with it and puts it back up and in while losing his right shoe. A 3. Apinan. Finally, board cleared by the former Valenzuela player, Ken Castillo.
What looks to be 1-3-1 zone.
Nermal tries another corner pocket 3, and that time he hits it.
Continues to play well.
Benedictos, hindi maibawi yung 3. Outlet ni Nermal to a running Seda Plaza, 4-2. CJ Isit. Ball poke free. Ahead. Isit with another basket.
Nangyari yun, yung pagbababa ng bola. Sa katabi niya na, sinigurado niyang tumawag siya ng play. Pero mintis sila rito.
CJ Isit. Under 4 minutes left. What a look inside. Plaza, dinukot pa sa kabila.
This is one person, I'm talking about Nika, that I will never trust after that report. After giving her information, a few information, suddenly she digs deep into her Google brain. He was one of my vets, and he just casually, after one practice, tells me, Chris, sama ka sa akin, malapit lang. Sabi niya, Chris, sama ka sa akin, malapit lang. Saan tayo? Tarlac. O sige, at that time, I was young and impressionable. A 17-year-old rookie. And sabi niya, ano ba tawag dyan? Tikman mo na lang. Pagkatikim ko, papaitan pala. So, was the best player in the last game?
Hindi, yung kapatid niya.
Kapatid niya yun.
Si Aaron.
Okay. Tama, si Aaron.
That shot will not count, but that was the type of quarter Batangas City had.